Okay, let's step into the sun-drenched palaces of southern Spain. But we're not going in as tourists. Oh no, we're going in as detectives, on the hunt for a language that isn't spoken but seen. This is all about uncovering the hidden messages of Granadan art.
This one idea, it's basically our master key. It unlocks this incredible possibility that for centuries we've been looking at this art, but not truly seeing it. We've seen beautiful decoration, but what if we were meant to see a deliberate, coded message? So, let's just lay out the central premise for our whole investigation here. It all hinges on this one idea, that a secret can be hidden in the most open, public, and absolutely beautiful of places.
This is the question, right? This is at the very heart of it. It challenges us to look beyond the surface, to treat this art not just as some object to be admired, but as a text to be, well, to be read. So let's start reading.
Every good mystery needs a setting, and ours, it's not some dark alleyway. It's the incredible, sun-drenched palaces of Al-Andalus. That's the historical name for the Muslim-ruled parts of the Iberian Peninsula. I want you to imagine walking into a room where literally every single surface, the walls, the ceilings, the tiles, even the arches, is covered in what just looks like decoration. Now, imagine that decoration is actually a story, or a poem, or a deep philosophical statement. The entire palace becomes this magnificent, giant puzzle box. All right, so if this art is a language, how in the world do we learn to read it? Well, we start by identifying the key elements, the clues the artist left behind for us to find.
These are our three primary leads. Think of each one as a distinct layer of meaning, a different way the artists encoded their entire worldview into the very walls. So let's examine the evidence, one piece at a time.
Our first clue, geometry. At first glance, yeah, you see beautiful, complex patterns, but you've got to look closer. These are not random. They are a visual argument for a really deeply held belief that underneath all the chaos of the world, there's a perfect, divine, mathematical order.
And this is how the code works. It's brilliant. The artists use these specific symbols to talk about huge ideas. So a repeating star pattern, that becomes a visual meditation on an infinite cosmos. Those endless, interlacing lines aren't just there to look cool. They're a statement that all of creation is interconnected. And that circle you often see right at the center of a design, that's a super powerful symbol for the oneness of God.
Okay, now for our second clue. Woven seamlessly into all these geometric designs is this incredibly intricate Arabic calligraphy. This is where visual art and literature literally become one and the same thing. So while your